Hi, my name is Heather Holden. I'm a wealth advisor at Scotia McLeod, and today we have Leisha Murphy with us, who is a family lawyer at the Vancouver law firm Ferris. Leisha, thanks for being here. Leisha, specifically, what do I do the day after I've decided to separate from my spouse? What are some lists that I make and resources that I should, and people I should seek out as resources?
Well, I always suggest that people speak to a lawyer. The other thing you can do, you mentioned making lists. It's good to figure out what are your assets. So what are your joint assets and what assets does your spouse have that your name is not on? So I suggest making a list of all your RSPs, bank accounts, investment accounts. If you have a safety deposit box, go there, make a list of what's in there. If you have valuable objects or items in your home, make a list of those. If your spouse has bank accounts in their sole name, it would be a good idea to maybe check their mail as it's coming in. Don't open their mail, but just find out what are the financial institutions they're dealing with. If they own a business, what assets does a business own? And just familiarize yourself with your life and your assets in that life. And that's a really good starting point, because once you get going down the road of separation, things might get tense and it might be a lot more difficult to find out what these things are and where they're held.
I find that my clients often forget to talk about things like benefits that their spouse's employer provides, life insurance, pensions at their spouse's employer. Is it the case that the lawyer will bring these issues to the forefront, or is it entirely the responsibility of the spouse to bring all that information to the lawyer?
When you see a lawyer, generally they'll ask you for a list of all your assets and try to get to know you, but at the same time you know your life best. So it's good to take some responsibility to bring that information forward to the lawyer to the best of your ability. So I think there's sort of a dual obligation there.
Thanks, Leisha. Feel free to contact Leisha directly at Ferris. Feel free to contact me for the financial implications of this sometimes difficult, sometimes quite onerous set of lists to create. Again, my name is Heather Holden, wealth advisor at Scotia McLeod. Thanks for joining us today.